They don't mean the same. Be careful how you express yourself in different parts of the world. Be it a simple smile or a thumbs up sign, as different signs take on different meanings. Nodding the head is usually understood as yes, but not in Greece, Bulgaria, and Turkey it means no. Patting a child's head is usually a sign of affection. But in Nepal it is considered insulting as the head is believed to be the home of soul in Buddhism. Wave goodbye to a person in China and do not be surprised if they start heading towards you, as it means come here. Make a beckoning gesture and they will think you are saying go away. In Japan, people smile when they are sad, angry, and confused. Spitting and burping in public are though as bad manners in Britain, but they are perfectly acceptable in Korea, where belching is a sign of appreciation after a meal. Tipping in USA is mandatory in almost all restaurants. It is expected that the patrons leave between 10 to 20% of the bill in tips. In many Asian countries, pointing with index finger is seen as incredibly offensive. Instead, it is customary to gesture towards things with the thumb, as this is seen as a more polite option. In many countries in Africa, pointing is reserved for inanimate objects only, not people. For Western cultures, noisily consuming food is considered rude. In Japan, however, making slurping sounds while eating means they are really enjoying their meal. When you are in Middle East, Asia, or parts of Africa, always use your right hand for greeting, handling merchandise, exchanging money, and, of course, eating. Using the left hand for eating or other activities is considered quite rude and insulting. Red ink is a big no in South Korea. In Korean culture, red ink was only used to note the names of the dead person on the family register. If the name of a living person was written in red ink, it was considered a sign that the person who wrote the name wished harm upon the other. People in Denmark save any broken dishes, plates, cups, or bowls until New Year's Eve. On the New Year, they throw the broken dishware at the homes of friends and family as a way to wish them good luck for the new year. A less aggressive way to wish good luck is to simply leave a pile of broken plates on the doorstep of a loved one. The tradition dates back centuries and is one of the more unique ways to ring in the new year. Thank you.